Here, I welcome to all my dear students, myself, Dr.J.K.Sali. Today, we are going to learn next topic, staffing. So, let's start with the new topic, staffing. Staffing. The term staffing relates to the recruitment, selection, development, training, and compensation of the managerial personnel. The staff can be said to be a group of people such as employees charged with carrying out the work of establishment and support to achieve the common goals. This function involves finding the size and categories of the requirement. Staffing is the right type of people. The staffing function focus on maintaining and improving the manpower is organization through the activities like training. The definition of staffing. Staffing relates to the recruitment, selection, development, training, compensation of subordinate managers. Staffing is a managerial function related with the recruitment of the employees for the job, their selection, job placement, and training. In this slide, now we will discuss need and importance of staffing. Staffing is essential to ensure so that the firm smoothly and efficiently that the right person is in the right position. Employees who are well managed, who receive proper training and better prepare to their jobs and satisfy the customers. The organization without its staff is simply an unproductive shell. The various importance and need of here. The first point is optimum utilization of resources. Staffing plays a role in a maximum and efficient utilization of resources. The system ensures appointment of employees in the organization. These employees utilize resources and organization such as money, material, and machine in efficient manner. It can be said that staffing helps maximum and efficient utilization of resources. Next point is reduces cost of production. The appointment of right person at the right job, right time ultimately result in the cost of production. Appointment of right person in production, purchase, and other departments to accuracy in work. Thereafter, next point is job satisfaction. Staffing is a source for employees and job satisfaction. Effective staffing jobs among the personnel according to their ability, talent, aptitude, and specialization. The more satisfaction regarding their jobs. Next point is meeting present and future needs of employees. It is very essential for present as well as future needs of employees. A clear idea to organization that in coming year how much position will be vacant and new positions will be generated. The help of information and organization can be fulfilled vacant and new positions by appointing the suitable candidates. Thereafter, next point is maintaining coordination among the employees. Coordination among the employees. The employees get jobs as per their ability, talent, and specializations. They try to maintain cooperation among themselves. The next need and importance of staffing is next point, better industrial relations. Staffing ensure better industrial relations in the organization. It in building closer personal relationship between the various managers and subordinates. In help the developing good relationship with other personnel. Next point is improve organizational performance. Effective staffing includes the job and job performance which better utilization of organizational resources. Staffing creates the human resources to achieve the better result. Human resources which decrease cost of recruitment, selection, and development of employees. The next point is support to other functions. It is the key to efficient performance of other functions of management. Organization does not have competent employees perform planning, organization and control functions properly. Thereafter, next point is training and development of employees. It involves the process of improving the skill and ability of employee through the training and development. The training and development helps to employees with the changing needs and to work efficiently. The last importance and needs of staffing is motivation. Training and development facility for employees and staffing create a system of motivation. Employees know that organization is providing training and development facility. It is improve their skill and ability to get motivated and ready to work hard. So these were the various needs and importance of staffing. Thank you.